probably won't change for another 20 years. It's still the same.
Ay, ito na guys, wait. So, ayan ang bus na sinakyan namin guys. So, ang laki. Tapos, ito na. We will. Si daddy nandoon na guys. Ayun na siya. So, yan ang Quest Hotel nandyan. Yan ang post office. Tapos, dito ang car park. Laki. Dito kami pinick up ni Mati. Pero, may pasok si Mati. Kaya ang hotel namin dito lang din sa tabi ng police station banda. So we decided to walk kasi sumasakit yung paa namin sa upo. Diyan lang naman siya guys, malapit lang. Yan. Yan ang town ng Griffith. Yon, isang road up. So dito kami. Uh-oh. You're breaking your pants? You're breaking his pants. That's ready. I have one. Ayan, police station. We're gonna go past. Let's go. Diyan sana kami guys magstay sa hotel na to guys. Ayan, kaya lang double the price siya. So hindi ko siya kinuha. Maglakad tayo a little bit pa. Dito lang tayo maglakad. Maxi taxi. Ayun. Ang police station, mga police yung police car ang mga nakahilera sa labas. May pumasok na dalawang police officer, babae at saka lalaki. Nagsehilo kami sa kanila. Yung good friend ng anak ko, dyan nagtatrabaho. Police officer siya, babae. Dito na tayo sa park na palagi namin ni Daddy pinupuntahan. We go through there. It's a better road for our cart. Ayan. It's a Sunday. It's not much more traffic. It's not too cold today, which is good. Kasi pag winter na winter, guys, dyan ako nagsa-shopping. Yung mga shops na yan. Ayan. So, mag-stop ako ng filming pag ano natin sa road. Kasi marami na guys, mga nakakakilala sa amin dito. Baka sabihin, anong bina-vlog mo dyan? So, dyan na kami sa kabila sa hotel. Okay guys. So, dito yung lugar namin. Dito kami nagsa-shopping before. So, tonight lalabas kami. Kasama si Mati. So, dyan lang kami pupunta sa kabila nito guys. Ayan. May tatlong mama naglalakad, nagwa-wonder sila bakit ako nagsasalita. So dito kami nagsa-shop sa mga rows of shop. Hanggang pa yan sa dulo sila guys. Yan. Tapos dyan din yung restaurant ng friend namin. So ayun. Pwede tayo mag-cross the road dito. Sa likuran ko ayan. Kasi yung hotel doon lang. Sa another street siya. Hindi siya guys malayo. So carry lang. Tapos dito din kami naglalakad eh. Pag mag-grocery mag-shopping kami sa kabila. Ang grocery naman doon naman sa tabi ng hotel. Doon kami nag-grocery. So familiar kami sa place na to kasi dito talaga kami nakatira. So mga siguro mga 20 nearly 30 years. Shall we go across here? Ayan. So let's go. So guys, ito yung para siyang ornament ng town. Ayan. Tapos old bus stop yan. Okay, dyan. Daddy nakaupo na. Hinihingal na siya guys. Wala nang energy si Dad. Dyan kami bumibili ng petrol namin. Yan. Pagdala namin yung sasakyan. Ayan ang bus namin. So, the lady will see us. Oh, those two people are walking. Yan, dyan tayo punta sa hotel. our room, and that's our room. Ta-da! Fridge. Where's the TV? Ah, there's a TV here. Ayan, guys. Where's the remote? Ay, okay. May remote house. May ano kami, guys. Oh, what you call it? Inverter. Yan ang mga linalagay nila sa mga room. Yan. So, yan ang room tour natin. It's very, very quick. Pero, pwede kayo magtingin sa labas. Tara! Ayan. Tara! Ang ganda, guys. Tapos, side road na yan dyan. Papunta na sa town. Punta kami doon ni Daddy. Are we going to that little shop? So guys, good evening. So nandito na tayo ngayon sa Australia. Australia na kami, guys. I'm watching Farmer Wants a Wife. Yun ang interview, Farmers Want a Wife. Medyo malamig, pero dito tayo hihiga tonight. Comfy bed. Ang ganda, guys. Ayun. And very quiet place. Ito ang tinitirhan namin na hotel. Dito lang sa center of the town. Wala kaming sasakyan kasi malayo yung mga bata. Pero si Mati nandito. Kaya lang may trabaho siya. So, ang sasakyan ginagamit niya. After work, pwede niya kaming sunduin. Ganun. So, nag-decide kami na dito ulit kami babalik sa center of the town kasi nilakad lang, guys, namin lahat. Lakad ka lang pag kumain, mga 2 minutes walk, 2 minutes walk yung grocery. Pumunta kami sa Woolies tonight. Ito, ang Woolies, ayan. Tapos bumili kami ng mga multivitamins kasi nakasale sila. Normally sila $30, tapos nag-half price. Ayan, 100 tablet na yan. Tapos bumili kami ng deep heat na dadalhin sa Pilipinas at saka mga gamot-gamot na dadalhin sa Pilipinas. So nagsa-shower si Daddy. Yan ang ganap, nagsa-shower siya. Tapos nandito yung mga gamit namin. Ayan, Travelers Life to namin. So yan ang susi. Lagay natin dyan. Uminom ako ng, naglagay ako ng Panadol sa ano ko, sa likod. Kasi medyo sakit siya. Hindi pa, guys, masyadong malamig, which is good. So, maghintay lang tayo ng weather na napakalamig. Pero, hindi man siya siguro lalamig ng masyado, guys. So, okay lang. So, may washing tayo dyan. Mag-wash na lang tayo, later. Maybe tomorrow or the next day. Tayo, guys. Binili ko kanina sa train. Alright. Ta-da! Aray. Oh. So, okay, guys. Dito tayo. Ito yung toilet area. At ito yung shower area. Ayan. Ito naman ay ang mga soap and everything na iniwan nila. So, hindi binabayaran natin to, guys. So, dadalhin natin yan. Kasi we paid for it. Ito. May vanity kit. Ayan. Dalhin natin yan. So, sanitary bag. Ayan. So, yun na siya. Hindi naman natin gagamitin yan. Yun. May ano dito, may towel. Ayan. Towel at saka dalawang towel kanina. Gagamit na namin. Hello? Kunin natin to, guys, kasi sayang. Maganda itong vanity kit. Ayan, o. Very handy. Sa pang-travel talaga siya. Dito naman yung maliit. Shampoo and conditioner. Ayun. Nagamit ako ng isa kanina. So, ayan. Dito kami last time. Okay naman siya na hotel, guys, kasi tahimik. Right in the center of the town, lakad mo lang lahat. Din lahat na mga mall nasa tabi niya lang. So, it's very good. Nag-shopping kami, guys. Platypus and Kaiser. Ito yung nabili ko sa Kaiser bags. Ang gaganda nila, guys. Look. Pamigay natin sa Pilipinas. Alright, guys. So, we are finished with changing address of our license. We had to do, when we come back to Australia, we have to check everything that we've done. Like cards, out-of-date cards. We need to order new cards. Send them in the right place where we can get it before we go home. So tomorrow we have our blood test. So every time we come to Australia, straight to blood test because everything is free. So we do it here, and we know that when we go back to Philippines, our health check is done. Right, Daddy? Daddy been shopping, guys. Look.
Been shopping,
Oh, it was me. It was me, guys. So we will show you, we will unboxing in the hotel because then you can see what Australian stuff we bought. And where are we going? Straight to
Subway. We take
Subway
home.
Alright, we take it home? Sige. That's a good idea. Okay, let's go. Alright, just crossing the road, guys. This is Griffith, where we used to park. When we come in this place, we used to park, and down there we used to park. So they actually changed this concrete, Daddy, no? All this street footpath, yeah. And they made like a area there people can go. Huh?
Toilets there.
Is that toilets? Wow, in the middle. Wow.
I think it's toilets. Looks like toilets.
Look like electrical thing. It's high voltage. Griff Motel. I no more. No more. They're developing it maybe. Changing. Ayan, guys. So we are in Griffith, New South Wales. Okay. Under, oh my god, they're very happy na daw, $30. Ito, guys, dito kami sa maglakad kami ng malayo, a bit far to walk, but we're just doing it nice and slow. Kami sa Subway. Pareho po.
For the 43, it's pretty fucking good.
Okay. I'm gonna move this curtain down. Oh, this one here. Yeah. Okay. Okay. That shall do it. Just gonna go and see sis. No lights on?
No.
The lights on. Okay, let's go. TV. And we bought a new suitcase. Okay. A new bag from Kmart. And this one is from Gold Coast last year. This year is this one. Okay, let's go.
Jojo's gonna fit him.
Toto. Shoes. Why not fit him? Lucky if it doesn't fit Toto. My purple shoes. You are not getting it, Toto. Alright, let's go. Let's go sis guy's house. Woolies, Kmart. Nag-shopping kami doon kanina. Okay. And ang hotel. Birds of Paradise in Australia. Baby Daddy, show me your outfit. Kmart outfit. Kmart outfit. He's got his good shoes. Serious shoes. We did shopping today. We got seriously did our shopping today. Look, matching. Dad looks better because his clothes are too big for him. So, waiting for his egg guy.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.